So connected to my VPS here, we are looking at day one, which I didn't make a dedicated video for, is 272.50 in wins with no losses. Heading over to day two, we had $162.50 with some losses. I have all these videos for you to see. Fast forwarded here in a minute. And then for our total for day one and day two on our test on our bot challenges, $435. This is without commissions. But for day two, we are doing great. And here's a little info on the VPS we use and why we use it and why you should too. This is the VPS we use. This is connecting to a computer right in Chicago, right next to the brokers, where you have your own virtual desktop where you can trade from. We use this VPS Pro right here, and the reason for getting it is the latency is literally 1 millisecond or less. I have tested this, and it is true. If you're trading from home, you're probably getting around, I don't know, 50 to 500 milliseconds in latency, which equals to ticks, which equals to 5 or 10 grand a year in lost ticks that you would have got if you were executing right next to the broker. If you use coupon code BH, you will get 30% off when you are ordering, or use the link in the description. So now let's get to why you are watching this video. The bot took these trades. The first trade did lose. The second trade did recover it. I will give you a little narrative in between trades. Starting with this first one, again, it did lose, and then the second one went on to recover and then on to profit. Here you go.
I've marked his hands out in the sun, chasing the clock till the day is done. Sweat on my brow, dirt on my face, but I knew deep down I needed a change of pace. Trading hours for dollars, it wasn't enough. Life was a grind and the work was tough, but I found a way, learn the market's flow. With every candle my future starts to grow. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key, trading the charts to set me free. Now I'm building a path for life that's strong, a legacy my kids will carry on. From hands in the dirt to hands on the charts, I learned the skills to make a new start. With every trade I'm breaking the chains, building the future, easing the pain. I pass it down, show them the way, so they can have more than I did one day. From hands in the dirt to minds that are free, I'm trading the future for my family. The whistle blows, the shift's complete, but I'm not done, I refuse defeat. I study the markets, I learn the grind, building a life that'll stand the test of time. No more just working to get by, I found a way to touch the sky, teaching my kids the lessons I've gained, so they can rise above the strain. I've been breaking my back, but I found the key.
All right, so this video is not scripted, and it is just the truth coming from me. This is my favorite prop firm, Earn to Trade. They have the trader career path, and you can start with a 25K account and work up to 200, or you can start with a 50 and work up to 400. And what does this mean? Well, it means when you hit your profit goal, you get put into a live account or live sim account, whichever you prefer. It's up to you. And that's right from the evaluation. And you can start collecting payouts immediately. So once you have $100 in the account, plus the activation fee. So how they do the activation fees is they take it out of your first payout. So if you blow your funded account, you never got to a payout, well, there's no activation fee. So, but there's really no risk except for your valuation cost. Once you hit your profit goal, you can take payouts anytime you want up until your profit goal, and then you go to 100,000 account. Now, say you get to $1,000 and you want to take a payout, right? To get a little bit of risk off the table, make some money. You can. You still only have to get $2,000 and you go to 100K. Once you get to 6,000, you go to 200. Once you get to 11,000, you go to 400. Once you get to 40,000, they give you a private contract. So that's the cool thing about Earn to Trade, is the scaling plans that pump up. Why I like this firm, that's why I use them. I have payouts from this firm. You request your payout on Friday and you get it by Wednesday. I like the way they do it. And right now it's 60% off. Use code BH for Breakout Hunter, BH. And you get discounts on resets as well if you need a reset. Now you have to trade for at least 10 days on your evaluation. So that means if you're trying to get $3,000 in 10 days, be smart and just go for $300 a day with some micros. Pass the account, do the same thing with the first one right here, and then start scaling up. Right now they do have a progression ladder. So I'm going to show you what that is real quick. That is this right here. So for the 50, your profit from 0 to 500, you can only trade 2 minis, right? I would just go micros, honestly. And then here's the progression ladder. So you have to follow this progression ladder as you're gaining profit. And they do this because they really want you to be in a live account and they really want you to do well, right? So just follow that rule and you will be fine. And this is their website. It's pretty nice, but you can click the link below, and it will bring you straight to here. And I prefer the Trader Career Path challenges. All right. If you need anything else, just let us know in our Discord.
Before the dawn breaks open, I'm glued to that screen. Tickers flashing, neon dreams in shades of red and green. My heart's in lockstep with the market's rise and fall. I've got orders standing by, waiting for the call. The charts are whispering patterns only I can discern. Candlesticks tell a story of profit and return. Will this contract take me higher? Will the bulls charge ahead? Or will I bail too late when the bears strike with dread? I'm day trading the futures, surfing waves on the line, riding margins of moments and fractions of time. With every tick of the clock, I'm leaning in for the score. Yeah, I'm chasing that lightning strike, hungry for more. From the S&P to the grains to the oils in the sea, I'm a lone wolf at the terminal, daring fate to agree. A scalper's heart beating fast, 2 eyes fixed on the prize. Breathing in adrenaline, my focus never dies. I'm searching through liquidity, looking for a break, building up positions that the timid won't take. Stop loss at the ready, I've got my guard in place, because in this battlefield you never know what you'll face. I'm day trading the futures, dancing on a wire, hedging faith against fear, fueled by inner fire. Just one good run from glory, but so close to despair. In that razor's edge arena, I'm a warrior aware. Every second can shape my fortune, can carve out my day. A symphony of data points guides the price I'll pay. Win or lose, I'm still here, strategy in hand, because tomorrow's another sunrise, another chance to stand.
Wake up at dawn, I'm ready to play. Charts are alive, it's another trade day. Fingers on the keys, eyes on the screen, waiting for the breakout. You know what I mean? I've spent my time, I've paid my dues. Now I catch those moves, no time to lose. I'm the breakout hunter, in the zone, finding those profits, taking them home. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster, I'm in control, I'm the master. Price action's my game, I don't miss. Breakout solid, feel that bliss. I'm the breakout hunter, on the rise, stacking those wins, no compromise. High volume spikes, price prices on the go. Levels are breaking, I'm in the flow. Support and resistance, I play it right. Breakouts coming, this is my fight. I ride the trend, no fear, no doubt. Know when to enter, when to get out. From the futures to stocks, I'm locked in tight. When I catch a breakout, it's pure delight. I'm the breakout hunter, watch me run. Catching those breakout trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. Watch me run, catching those breakouts, trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster. Breakout hunter, watch me run, catching those breakouts, trades begun. When the market moves, I move faster.
Order filled.
We're scalping the market.
Target filled.
And keep